Hello everyone, join us as we visit Chicago, Illinois for the very first time. Let's go! Chicago is the third largest city in the United States. It is located in the state of Illinois along the shoreline of Lake Michigan on the southwestern coast. It is a major hub for finance, culture, architecture, transportation, and education. Chicago was known as the Windy City primarily because of the history of the boastful politicians and promoters who would brag about Chicago hosting the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition. They were popularized as the Windy City in the 19th century when rival newspapers, particularly in New York, used it to mock Chicago's loud and proud political speeches. We are now heading to Willis Tower, originally called the Sears Tower. It is located at 233 S. Wacker Drive, Chicago, Illinois. There it is, right ahead of us is the Willis Tower. It is the fifth tallest building in the U.S. as of 2025. It was completed in 1973. We're here in Chicago. The Willis Tower is 1,450 feet tall to the roof. Now it is a bustling hub for offices and tourism, featuring the popular Skydeck observation deck on the 103rd floor, including the Ledge experience. We're now heading to the Skydeck entrance. General admission is around $32 for adults and youth $22 to $24. Children under 3 are free. Chicago Museum. Praising Chicago. Sullivan Center, Rookery Building, and Monadnock Building. In the 1800s, while Chicago was booming, the problem was pollution and disease. The Chicago River was then reversed in the early 1900s, which was a massive engineering project. The Sanitary District of Chicago built a series of canals and locks to connect the Chicago River to the Des Plaines River, which eventually flowed into the Mississippi River. This navigation opened up new routes for shipping between Great Lakes and Mississippi. This project is considered to be one of the greatest civil engineering achievements in U.S. history. Look at that building. Chicago. The building was completed in 1973 and called the Sears Tower. It was the tallest building for nearly 25 years until 1998. Its name changed to Willis Tower in 2009 as the insurance broker group called Willis Group Holdings leased part of the building and obtained the naming right. The antenna alone adds about 300 feet to the building, making it the third tallest building if you include the antenna. There's the Ledge at Skydeck Chicago. It is on the 103rd floor, and each of the glass balconies is engineered to hold up to 10,000 pounds. Harlem Lake, start being in the subway of Chicago.
Will be next step.
Cool. These are some of the known items that are on the menu in Chicago restaurants. Chicago is known for their deep dish pizzas right there, and also their Chicago dog. There's also a lot of other food and drinks that Chicago has to offer. Pavilion, House of Blues, Sounds of Chicago. Oh, that's a big park. The Obama. Willis Jordan, Oprah Winfrey. Nice. Wrigley Field, Chicago. In just a moment, we'll be heading up to the 103rd floor on a high-speed elevator, which takes approximately 60 seconds.
Burning down 1/3 of the city, rising from the ashes, Chicago quickly rebuilds to become an architectural icon.
Heading up.
The World's Fair of 1893 opens, hosting beautiful white buildings. Dazzling new inventions debut, such as electricity, elevators, and glamorous Art Deco buildings and modern architectural styles. Soaring 110 stories high, a new American icon is born. It remained the world's tallest building for almost 25 years. Today, experience spectacular views from all directions on the 103rd floor and feel the thrill of the ledge. Welcome to Skydeck.
Welcome to the Skydeck Chicago on the 103rd floor. Up here's the ledge and we'll be heading there soon. You can walk all the way around the building. There's 360-degree views. Michigan. From the 103rd floor up here on the Skydeck, you can see Lake Michigan and also up to 4 states on very clear days: Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, and Michigan. You can also see the downtown Chicago skyline and the Chicago River. Here we are at the ledge at the Willis Tower. It is a set of glass boxes that extend 4.3 feet outside of the 103rd floor sky deck. The structure is made of glass floors, walls, and ceilings that are completely see-through. You can step out and look down at the street.
We hope you enjoyed Chicago from the city's highest point. Now, we're traveling down at over 18 miles per hour on one of the fastest elevators in the world. Along the way,
1 minute
take a peek at all the
to get
things
down.
happening in this tower. While some are whining and dining, others are burning off calories.
Less than 11, 12 hours.
Thousands of people work hard at those floors. Others are celebrating life. And still more people are visiting for the day. There's something for in this tower.
40 feet, 30 feet.
Take your Skydeck at the photo pickup and explore hundreds of new items in the Skydeck marketplace.
We're here.
Thank you for visiting Skydeck.
We definitely enjoyed our time here at the Willis Tower, especially visiting the Skydeck and the Ledge. We're now walking in downtown Chicago, heading toward the Bean. It takes about 15 minutes to get there from the Willis Tower. We're in downtown Chicago. There it is, there's the Bean. It's officially called Cloud Gate. It's located in Millennium Park in downtown Chicago. It was unveiled in 2004 and the artist was Anish Kapoor, a British Indian sculptor. The bean is made up of 168 stainless steel plates that are welded together and highly polished. It is like a seamless, mirror-like finish that reflects the Chicago skyline and the people around it. The size is about 33 feet high, 66 feet long, and 42 feet wide, and it weighs around 110 tons. There is a small hot dog stand right next to the bean where you can order this yummy Chicago dog. We ate at Ryo Sushi, which is a casual, fast-paced Japanese restaurant, and we really enjoyed the sushi because there's not too much rice on the sushi, and the food was delicious. On the right, the Millennium Park. That is the downtown Chicago River and the River Walk. It is famous for its iconic architecture, the Chicago River Walk pedestrian path, and its annual dyeing for St. Patrick's Day. Welcome to Chinatown, Chicago. We found Molly Tea on the left. It was founded in 2021 by Zhang Bo Chung in Shenzhen, with an emphasis in milk teas, specifically jasmine milk teas. Thanks for watching.